Jordan. We're out here airing down. Gonna try and find East Lake, Paulina Peak area. Met him in La Pine a little bit ago. Mine's easier, it's more accessible. Okay, I'm out here with Jordan. This is what we've found. Well, we did our best creating a perimeter here. Put dirt on it. It's gonna have to stay that way. Protecting the forest one campfire at a time. All right, back on the road again. That was pretty crazy. That's actually the second time that me and Jordan have came across a campfire like that. But we like to make sure that there's not gonna be a forest fire later down the road. We are sleeping out here too, so safety is our priority. Jordan didn't have any luck winching him out, so I'm actually going to take it and winch him from my car. Okay, so we couldn't make it to the top of Paulina Peak. There's definitely too much snow still, but we got pretty close, about a mile from the top. It's like we're snow puddle jumping, which is awesome. Pulling Jordan out, number 2. There's a tree right there, and there's a tree right there. So we by Fozzie, narrow. Go, Jordan, go. All right, rescue Jordan number 3. Getting it done.
Dude, I just want noise.
This guy's watching movies on the road. Hey, Jordan's gonna try the impossible here. Torq Locker it up. we're trying to go find the water source that we hear down here. Looks like we found the river.
Oh, shit.
We're not getting down there.
Oh, shit. That's a lot.
Whew. Good morning, just waking up. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I don't think Jordan's awake yet, but we're just gonna hang out here where it's nice and warm in the fuzzy until Jordan wakes up, and then gonna make some bacon and some breakfast and get this day started. All right, we're back on the trail now. We're just we're wrapping it up for the day. We're gonna hit 97 up here in a few miles and go our own ways. Bye, Jordan.